The prefix anti means against, opposite, or counteracting. This small prefix at the beginning of words changes their meaning completely. When you see anti dash at the start of a word, it always signals opposition or prevention. Understanding this one prefix unlocks dozens of English words instantly. Antisocial describes someone who avoids other people and social situations. Antibiotic is medicine that fights and kills harmful bacteria in our body. Antifreeze is a liquid added to car engines to stop them freezing in cold weather. Anticlockwise means moving in the opposite direction to clock hands. Anti-dash has three main meanings. First, against, like fighting something directly. Second, opposite, meaning completely different direction or nature. Third, counteracting, which prevents or blocks something from happening. Every anti-word fits one of these three ideas. Anti-dash comes from ancient Greek, where it meant against or opposite. The Greeks used it to describe opposition or reversal. Through Latin, this Greek prefix entered English. Today we use it for both everyday words and scientific terms. Add anti-dash to social and you get antisocial, someone against being social. Anti-dash plus biotic makes antibiotic, working against tiny living things called bacteria. Anti-dash freeze creates antifreeze, preventing freezing action. Anti-dash clockwise becomes anticlockwise, the opposite of normal clock movement. Anti-dash virus makes antivirus software that protects computers from digital viruses. Anti-dash gravity creates anti-gravity, working against Earth's pull. Anti-dash dote forms antidote, medicine against poison. Anti-dash thesis becomes antithesis, the exact opposite of an idea. Now you can build anti-words yourself.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.